What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I've got a lookbook showing you 4 different ways how you can dress stylishly without a tie. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Wesley Sullivan, salute. Now, a common question I often get from you guys is, Jeff, I want to dress up, I want to get my grown man on, but I'm not feeling wearing a tie. How can I do it without wearing one? And to be honest with you, although I'm someone who likes dressing up, I don't wear ties quite as much as I used to, but I still like to make sure I'm put together. And that's what we're going to talk about on today's video. On today's video, I've got 4 different looks showing you how you can be stylish without that noose around your neck, some of us call a tie, and still do it in a mature grown man way. Without any further delay, let's get into 4 looks on how you can dress stylishly without wearing a tie. Now, of course, being stylish without a tie is going to take the dressiness down a notch. I don't necessarily suggest doing it with a regular complete suit and a pair of black Oxfords. Bring it down just a little bit, as I've done in this first look. As you can see here, I'm doing a tieless look with suit separates. I've got a flannel green jacket that's from a suit, and I've got these flannel window panes that's from another suit. Mixing and matching suits, suit separates if you will, is a great way to dress down a suit and give you a lot more options. And this green and gray is one of my favorite combinations. I wear it all the time. And to add a little bit of contrast, we've got a blue dress shirt without a tie. And finishing the look off, a great versatile dressy shoe that's not as formal as an Oxford. Got a great pair of brown double monk straps. Now, one of the keys to mixing suit separates is make sure the materials are very close in weight and fabric. Flannel jacket, flannel pants, you're good to go. Want a stylish grown man look without the tie? Do a suit separate look like we've done here. Now, for our second look of the day, we're going into the casual territory and showing you how you can rock that collared shirt without a tie, but do it untucked. Now, this is a very tricky look to pull off, and there's a couple things you have to do. First of all, the shirt should fit well. You don't want a big billowy shirt. And when it's untucked, it should hit around mid-crotch. Too much longer, the shirt is too long, tuck it in. And as you can see in this look, we've got the right length. Good slim fitting shirt, untucked, matching a black gingham with some burgundy slim fit chinos. And to give a little edge of the look, I always like to throw on some leather Chelsea boots. Here are the black leather Chelseas matching the black gingham shirt. So for that look, a lot of guys love to try, but don't always pull off. Make sure the shirt fits well, not too long, and you'll have a great casual, tieless, but still well put together look. Now, over the last year, as I've been wearing ties less and less, one of the questions I get from you guys all the time, Jeff, how do you keep your collar looking so crisp? Do you use $1 million collar? Well, as a matter of fact, I actually do. Have one on right now, and they're the sponsor of today's video. For those of you who are unaware of $1 million collar, they're the best solution for this great tieless look, as they offer the $1 million collar, the only sew-in placket stay. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's not a collar stay. No, a collar stay goes in your collar. The $1 million collar is sewn into your placket, this part of your shirt with the buttons on it. And it's designed to give reinforcement to the front of any collared shirt. As you can see here, it does a great job of giving me that crisp look. And the great thing about the $1 million collar, once you install it, it lasts the lifetime of the shirt. You can wash it, you can iron it, you can dry it safely. $1 million collar's patented design is one of a kind and the best solution to giving you this crisp stand-up collar look. Now, a lot of guys think that by using starch to iron their shirt, you can achieve the same results. You actually don't. Starch is made to get the wrinkles out of your shirt. It is not made to reinforce your placket or your collar like the $1 million collar is. The placket stay is not the only solution $1 million collar offers. They also have their Go Tieless shirts. These are the only shirts on the market designed to be worn without a tie. They come with the $1 million collar already sewn in. These shirts come in a slim or standard fit, and they have the bonus of 3% stretch to make them much more comfortable. So if you want to rock that tightest look, want to have a crisp stand-up collar like I like to rock, hit that link in the description and pick up a Tyler shirt or some $1 million collars for yourself today. Now for our third look of the day, we're going to talk about the outfit I have on right now. The perfect combination of top and bottom when you're trying to do a dressy look, but a little bit of a casual spin. As I have the combination of your best dressy jeans, your dark denim, with this brown jacket. If you're going to dress up any jeans, dark denim does the trick every time. And I love the combination of this brown plaid with these dark jeans from Uniqlo. And I love rocking a crisp white dress shirt without a tie. That white just gives you a nice little pop. And of course, the most versatile dress shoe you can rock, dressed up or dressed down, love throwing on a pair of brown wingtips. This is an outfit you can wear in a wide range of situations. Business casual, nice fall date, you're gonna be well put together, look mature and stylish, and you're doing it without a tie. And last but certainly not least, for our fourth and final look on how to rock a stylish look without a tie, I've got what I like to call a combination look. As I put on a pair of trousers, some minimal sneakers, and a great shirt without a tie. Now the key to this look is the trousers themselves. They're a bit of a combination of a sweatpant trouser style, as they have a nice cut like a dress pant would, but they have the elastic around the waist, giving it an athletic fit. Because of this, I feel very comfortable and love the look of pairing it with one of my favorite pair of minimal sneakers, these gray ones from Koyo. And one of my favorite color combinations has to be green and gray. I think guys should wear green a lot more often. Like I have with this green dress shirt from J. Crew, of course installed with the $1 million collar. So as I often like to do, combining a little bit of a dressier look with some more casual athletic pieces, absolute great way to go without a tie, some minimal sneakers, trousers, and a right dress shirt without a tie. Okay, so there you have it. My lookbook showing you 4 different ways how to dress stylishly without a tie. Once again, I want to thank today's video sponsor, $1 Million Collar. Make sure you hit that link in the description and get the ultimate solution so you can have that crispy stand-up collar like the OG. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out the next time.